Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's quickly see how to make this vitamin C serum. In my previous video, I made this toner that could actually pair very well with this serum. It is also a vitamin C toner, although made with a different form of vitamin C. You can check my previous video for the recipe. For this video, let's hop on how to make the serum.
When it comes to taking care of the beauty that you show, Primeside, your trusted cosmetic partner.
To make this serum, I'll first consider how to thicken it. For this recipe, my choice of rheology modifier is xanthan gum. I'm using xanthan gum clear here because I want the formula to be really clear. If you do not mind the clarity, you may actually opt for the xanthan gum regular. For this recipe, I'm using xanthan gum clear 1%. In order to dissolve xanthan gum seamlessly without having lumps, I'm going to dissolve it directly in vegetable glycerin. So I'm going to be weighing out 10 grams of vegetable glycerin here, and I'm going to transfer the xanthan gum into the vegetable glycerin. With this, it's going to dissolve really smoothly before it will be transferred into water to hydrate. Hey there, if this is your first time watching on this channel, welcome to Primeside. Here we share safe, natural and effective skincare product, haircare product and general cosmetics. I hope you stay with us, stay subscribed and also stay learning. We have lots and lots beautiful videos for you. Thank you for your support. Now it's time to weigh out my water. In place of distilled water, I'm using lemon hydrosol. Lemon hydrosol is actually the distillate of lemon, and it also contains all the properties of lemon, including citric acid that can help to exfoliate the skin and brighten the skin. Since this is a vitamin C serum, I see this hydrosol as a perfect match. I also used it in a vitamin C toner I posted before this video. But of course, you can substitute this hydrosol with any other hydrosol of your choice or even use distilled water. Now I'm going to weigh out my vitamin C powder, and here I'm using 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. It's a form of vitamin C that is really stable, unlike L-ascorbic acid that is really commonly used and will lose stability within a few days of making it, and the product may turn brown or even black. Like I said, there are different forms of vitamin C and you can opt for any one that suits your preference and your choice of product. For the vitamin C toner I posted before this video, I used another form of vitamin C and you can check that right out. Now this vitamin C powder will sparingly dissolve in cold water and it's suitable for all skin type. It also have a wide pH range that could make it compatible with a lot of other ingredients. So this form of vitamin C could be used in your serums, in your toners, your washes and all of that. So after dissolving it, I'm going to bring back my dissolved xanthan gum in vegetable glycerin into this water phase so it could fully hydrate. Now it may take some time to hydrate, so don't be in a hurry to see its full thickness. Especially when you're using xanthan gum clear, it is not as fast hydrating like the xanthan gum regular, so it may take some time to actually allow full hydration. If you have an industrial stirrer or a magnetic stirrer, it can be very good for you to actually aid the quick hydration of polymers like this. But if you do not be in so much hurry, just set this aside and leave it for a few hours until it's totally dissolved, hydrated and thickened. After this, I'll go check my pH, and just like my toner, this pH is around 4 and 3, which is actually not suitable for this particular form of vitamin C to be effective. So we need to raise this up, and I'll be using my soda bicarbonate solution to do the raise. Don't forget that the soda bicarbonate would give it bubbles just like in my toner. But I love the bubbles anyway, although this is too much. Just set it aside for a while and you'll see all the bubbles coming down pretty well. Now I have a pH of 5 and that's fine by me. With this, our serum will work pretty well and will also be safe for everyone. Next, I'll go ahead to add my preservative, and here I'm using Jomal Plus at 1%. I'll give this a good mix and my serum is ready. Now making serums are really easy. All you need to know is understand the processes and understand the ingredient that you need to achieve your desired kind of serums. If in any way you find it difficult, you could actually grab my ebooks on toner and water-based serum to clarify you more on it. And if you feel like you need to know more than that, then you could actually opt for my skincare diploma course. You would definitely love that one. Also, all the raw materials used here are sourced from us. If you always have quality at heart and you like to make effective product, then you should consider shopping from us. You see the link in the description box. This serum is okay to use with this toner. The serum can be used twice daily, every day, by all skin type or skin sensitivity, or skin complexions and colors. You could also store this to around 12 months, and this serum will be really effective in fading your dark spots, brightening your skin, helping to fight free radicals off your skin, helping to improve your skin tone, soften your skin, hydrate your skin, and most importantly, to use this product, make sure not to skip your sunscreen, because without your sunscreen, this product can be utterly useless. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe. Also like this video, share to your friends, and I'll be hoping to see you next time. For now, take care and bye.